The mixed vegetables weighing and packing system is designed for efficient, accurate and flexible packaging of fresh, frozen and IC vegetable products. Equipped with high-precision multi-head weigers, it ensures precise portion control. For mixed vegetables such as peas, corn, carrots, beans, broccoli, and diced blends, intelligent combination. Weighing technology minimizes product giveaway while maintaining stable output. Gentle feeding and adjustable vibration protect delicate vegetables and preserve product quality. The system can be integrated with vertical or pre-made bag packing machines, supporting pillow bags, gusset bags, zipper pouches, and stand-up pouches. Made of food-grade stainless steel. The system meets hygiene standards and allows easy cleaning. PLC touchscreen control enables fast recipe changes for different mixes and weights with automatic operation. It helps manufacturers improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and deliver consistent and high-quality packaging.